Hey, everybody. It's me, Tyrona, and I just wanted to show you guys something. So I had mentioned before that my mom was going through, well, she has cancer. She has uterine cancer. So I decided to make my mom a few things, and I just wanted to show you guys. So, first, I made her this little, they're simple, simple little gifts, but um, they represent what she's going through. So this is, as you can see, it's a peach butterfly ribbon, cancer ribbon, and there's a little quote on it that says, "Courage is like a butterfly, it takes wings when you need it most," and it's for uterine cancer. So I made her this, and I don't know if everyone has seen one of these before. This is just the soda can tumbler. It does have a little straw on the inside that you can sip out of. And then I made her a tumbler. Um, and again, it's for uterine cancer. My mom's name is Eula. So I made her tumbler. I also made her a notebook. So it's basically the same theme all the way through all of her stuff. So this is a 2-subject notebook that I made her, and then for her dashboard for the next section, it does once again have encouraging words for uterine cancer. So this is a budget book that I made her as well. It's just a budget book, She can, her weekly budget book, so she can budget herself. This is a contact and password book, so she can keep up with all her passwords and doctors and things of that nature, and information that we all need from her. This is a journal. Now, when my mom first started off, she told me she had ovarian cancer. So I created her journal for ovarian cancer. However, I was not going to waste paper because my mom made the mistake of giving me the wrong cancer that she actually had. But anyways, it's still going to be able to do the same thing for her, except for there are ovarian cancer ribbons in this one. So, but she'll still use it the same. But it is for uterine cancer. It does represent uterine cancer on the outside. So, yeah. And then I made her yearly planner. So her yearly planner is a weekly planner. She's able to jot down her doctor's appointments and how she's feeling, like her mood that she's in, list anything that she needs to do, like if she needs to call anybody. It has habit trackers on here, so she has a habit tracker, and she can keep up with things, her affirmations. Each day does have a mood on there, so she can keep up with how she's doing, whether she's feeling sick or everything. But yeah, so that's, sorry for the glare, but yeah, so this is her yearly weekly planner. And then I did make my mom a shirt. So here's her shirt, and peach is the color. It's actually the color. So peach is the color for uterine cancer. So because it is for the female region, I also put a peach on here. So she has a peach with a butterfly, and it does says uterine cancer fighter. So I think that she's gonna like this a lot. Yeah, but yeah, I wanted to make her something. I've been meaning to send it to her for a while now, but I just haven't got around to it. But I'm going to send this off to my mom, and I hope that she enjoys it, um, enjoys every bit of it, you know. Um, yeah, but that's what I just wanted to jump in and show you guys. Have a blessed one.